Hello, welcome to Jenny's Food Network. We are at the Buckingham water fountain right behind me, but I want to videotape right there. The one with the two spikes, that's the Sears Tower of Chicago, Illinois, downtown Chicago. That is the center point of Chicago. So, I'm going to turn right. So right now I'm facing south. I'm going to turn right. There's the downtown building. Now I'm facing west. Now I'm facing, oh my god, there's a rainbow. Look at that rainbow, you guys. Here's the famous Buckingham water fountain. Look how, oh my god, there's like, oh my gosh, the wind's blowing and the mist is blowing at me. Ah! Oh my gosh, like a water spray. So, here's someone's getting married over here, wedding. And I'm gonna zoom up, look at that rainbow. Amazing rainbow. Oh my god, I'm like getting all wet here. It's like the wind is blowing and this mist is all over me. It's like someone's spraying a water bottle on me. Crazy, crazy. Okay, there we go. So over on the other side is the bike path we just got off of and we across the street. Look at that rainbow. Beautiful. Today is May 31st, Saturday, 2014. Woo! Tomorrow is June 1st already, goodness. Alright. Over there is Seafood Freddie. I don't know why he's all the way over there. So we're gonna come, I'm just gonna zoom up. You guys get a better look. Ooh, we're getting a whiplash of mist. Beautiful downtown Chicago. Look at that rainbow. Woo, look at that fountain. Beautiful, beautiful. Famous downtown Buckingham water fountain. Pretty cool.